So good morning students. This is the second part of the video of subject SST for standard 5. Today going to discuss economic and natural resources of Congo. The people of the Democratic Republic of Congo depend on their natural environment, earns a living. Actually the people depend on the natural environment. Crops. Main crops are grown here: cassava, yam, maize, banana, groundnuts. These are the vegetables. These are the main crops. And water is very important natural source of Congo. Dams also built that produce electricity. Rubber is also found in abundant in Congo. And rubber factories also have been established and also rubber product and exported to the other countries. And this country rich in mineral like petroleum, gold, manganese, tin, calcium, bauxite, etc. And this country is 65% of the total reserve of cobalt. But most of the minerals are exported. In the grassland, people combine agriculture with the hunting and fishing. And there is livestock also. And they do mining in copper, iron ore and other minerals. Cereals and fish are imported. These type of things are imported here. Coffee, cocoa, palm oil, rubber, coconut. These are the chief exports product. Now, life of the people. The Democratic Republic of Congo is the home of 200 different type of ethnic groups. The Bantu tribe are the majority of the country's population. They are the dark people with curly hair. Main occupation are agriculture and mining. And the pygmies. They are the earliest inhabitant of Congo Basin. They small saturated people. Their height not more than 140 centimeter. And the European had driven these pygmies into the forest area where they started living there. The Bambuti pygmies specialize in hunting and fishing. Due to the hot and wet climate, they use very little clothing, mainly loin clothes of bark or skin. On a special occasion, they wear colorful dresses. And more than 200 languages are spoken in Congo. 4 national languages of the country are given, and French is the official language. And Congo is the best for its music. The Ramba style is very popular. And Kwasa Kwasa is the popular dance music that originated in Kinshasa. Congo River is the main river that used for means of transportation and livelihood in the country. So that's why the Congo River is called Highway of Central Africa. Very important thing, Highway of Central Africa. Now if I discuss the cities, many cities are there, and Kinshasa, the capital of the Congo. Kinshasa is the capital. And some other important cities are Lubumbashi. It is a very important city for the diamond mining center. It is the diamond mining center, this city. And Matadi is the country's main port. If I talk to the recent development, This country has been first developing. Money from export is used to improve the country's infrastructure, and this is turns has improved the people's standard of living. And tourists can buy handicrafts including wood carving, painting, baskets, jewelry, and masks made by the local tribal people of the country. So this is the chapter, and you are advised to prepare this chapter for the examination. Thank you.